Have you ever wondered why your memory isn't as sharp as it used to be? Your energy levels feel lower, or you suddenly start gaining weight without changing your habits? Doctors across the United States are now warning that one hidden culprit may be at the root of all these changes: gut health. Yes, the health of your digestive system doesn't just affect your stomach, it silently impacts your brain, heart, and overall metabolism, especially after the age of 40. Most people think of gut issues as bloating, gas, or irregular bowel movements. But research now shows that when your gut is out of balance, it can trigger inflammation throughout the body, alter hormone signals, and even impair your brain's ability to function. The term doctors often use is leaky gut or dysbiosis, where the balance of beneficial and harmful bacteria is disrupted. When this happens, toxins can escape into the bloodstream, causing your immune system to overreact. Chronic low-grade inflammation begins, and over time, it can age your brain and heart faster than almost any other factor. The consequences of ignoring gut health are subtle at first. You may notice fatigue that isn't explained by lack of sleep, difficulty concentrating, mood swings, or stubborn weight gain. These symptoms often appear years before any major diagnosis, making it easy to dismiss them as normal aging. But doctors emphasize that this isn't inevitably often a result of ignoring the signals from your digestive system. One of the most surprising findings is the strong connection between gut bacteria and brain function, often called the gut-brain axis. The gut produces neurotransmitters like serotonin, which regulate mood, sleep, and appetite. An unhealthy gut can reduce these chemicals, leading to anxiety, depression, brain fog, and even memory decline. Meanwhile, inflammation triggered by gut imbalance can restrict blood flow and nutrient delivery to the brain, accelerating cognitive decline. Your heart isn't safe either. Studies show that gut imbalance increases inflammatory markers that damage blood vessels, contribute to plaque formation, and raise the risk of heart disease. High blood pressure, irregular cholesterol levels, and even sudden fatigue during daily activities can all trace back, in part, to gut health. Doctors stress that after 40, these risks increase because your body naturally loses resilience. Metabolism slows, hormone balance shifts, and the immune system becomes more sensitive. All of these factors make a healthy gut even more critical for maintaining energy, mental clarity, and cardiovascular health. So how does gut health directly impact your brain and heart? The answer lies in inflammation and the delicate balance of bacteria in your digestive system. When your gut microbiome is out of balance, too many harmful bacteria and not enough beneficial ones, it produces compounds that enter your bloodstream and trigger chronic low-grade inflammation. This inflammation doesn't just stay in the gut, it spreads throughout the body, affecting organs like the brain and heart. For the brain, inflammation can reduce blood flow, impair communication between neurons, and disrupt the production of key neurotransmitters. This is why people with poor gut health often experience brain fog, memory lapses, and difficulty focusing. Over time, these subtle changes can accelerate cognitive decline and make tasks that used to feel easy suddenly more challenging. The heart is affected in a similar way. Inflammatory compounds from the gut can damage blood vessels, increase arterial stiffness, and promote plaque buildup, all of which raise the risk of high blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes. Your metabolism also suffers because chronic inflammation can make it harder for your body to process sugar and fat efficiently, leading to weight gain and reduced energy. One of the most overlooked aspects, doctors warn, is that gut imbalance can be silent for years. You might not notice bloating or digestive discomfort, but the inflammation and bacterial imbalance are still quietly affecting your brain, heart, and metabolism. This is why many people over 40 suddenly feel like their health is declining out of nowhere, when in reality, the warning signs were present long before. So what are those subtle signs to watch for? Chronic fatigue, difficulty losing weight despite a healthy diet, unexplained mood changes, brain fog, poor sleep, and even frequent colds or infections can all be connected to gut imbalance. Ignoring these signs may allow inflammation to progress, increasing the risk of serious brain and heart conditions in the long term. The good news is that gut health is incredibly responsive to diet and lifestyle changes. Simple adjustments like incorporating fiber-rich foods, fermented foods, and avoiding highly processed sugar can restore balance to your gut microbiome. Doctors also recommend staying hydrated, managing stress, and getting enough sleep, all of which support healthy gut bacteria and reduce inflammation. Doctors emphasize that restoring gut health is one of the most powerful ways to protect your brain, heart, and overall metabolism after 40. The first step is improving your diet. Fiber-rich foods like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. These bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids that reduce inflammation, support heart health, and even improve brain function. Fermented foods are another key recommendation. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso introduce probiotics live beneficial bacteria that help restore balance to your microbiome. A diverse gut microbiome is linked to better mood regulation, sharper memory, and a stronger immune system. Doctors often warn against processed foods, excessive sugar, and refined carbs, which feed harmful bacteria and worsen inflammation. Hydration is equally important. Water supports digestion, nutrient absorption, and helps flush toxins from the gut. Even mild dehydration can disrupt gut bacteria balance and slow metabolism, which is why doctors often see fatigue and weight gain linked to inadequate hydration. Lifestyle factors also play a huge role. Stress triggers the release of cortisol, which disrupts gut bacteria and increases inflammation. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing, yoga, or even a simple daily walk can significantly improve gut health. Sleep is another cornerstone during deep sleep. The gut, brain, and immune system repair themselves. Poor sleep weakens gut health, creating a vicious cycle of inflammation and fatigue. For those over 40, doctors recommend gradual, consistent changes. Start with a fiber-rich breakfast. Add fermented foods throughout the day. Drink water before caffeine or meals, and maintain a routine that supports both mental and physical well-being. Over time, these steps reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and restore natural energy, making weight management easier and protecting your brain and heart from long-term damage. The transformation often surprises people. Patients report clearer thinking, improved focus, more energy, better mood, and even healthier weight when they prioritize gut health. What was once a silent contributor to aging and disease becomes a powerful tool to maintain vitality, resilience, and overall health. By paying attention to your gut, you're not just supporting digestion, you're protecting your heart, brain, and metabolism, giving yourself the foundation to thrive for decades to come. Ignoring your gut health after 40 may feel harmless at first, but doctors warn it can quietly accelerate aging in your brain and heart. Chronic inflammation, disrupted metabolism, fatigue, and brain fog are all early signals that your gut is out of balance and left unchecked. These issues can lead to serious long-term health problems. The good news is that restoring your gut is entirely within your control. By incorporating fiber-rich and fermented foods, staying hydrated, managing stress, and prioritizing quality sleep, you can rebalance your microbiome, reduce inflammation, and protect your brain and heart. Even small, consistent changes create a ripple effect that improves energy, focus, mood, and metabolism. Remember, your gut is more than your digestive system. It's a central hub influencing your overall health. Start paying attention today, and you can prevent hidden damage. Feel younger, think clearer, and maintain a healthier heart and body for years to come.